If you've ever been to a science museum or a university with one of these huge freaking pendulums, then you've seen the first laboratory evidence that the Earth rotates. They're called Foucault pendulums after the French physicist Leon Foucault, who came up with them in 1851. When you set it up carefully, the weight at the bottom, called a bob, moves in a straight line back and forth. But as the world turns underneath it, it changes the orientation of the base compared to the plane of the swing. And so the world's rotation causes the pendulum's precession around the base. A lot of Foucault pendulums will demonstrate that precession by setting up pegs or balls for the bob to knock over on its tour around the base. The most interesting and unintuitive thing about them to me is that how long a precession takes depends on its latitude or position on the Earth. So a Foucault pendulum at one of the poles takes a full sidereal day to make a precession around the base. That's about 23.934 hours. And at the equator, it doesn't make a precession around the base at all. The bob just stays bobbing in a straight line, and it looks like it too. And it takes longer to make a precession as you get closer to the equator. So if you take that Foucault down to 30 degrees south or 30 degrees north, it will take 2 full days for the bob to make a full precession around the base and turn to its original location.